problem. Show that the common chord of the circles. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 is equal to 0 is the diameter of second circle, and also find its length. So here we have to prove that the common chord is the diameter of second circle. So common chord is the diameter of second circle. So first what we do, we'll find out common chord. So how to find equation of common chord? See, the equation of common chord of two circles is given as s minus s dash is equal to 0. So what is equation of common chord of two circles? It is s minus s dash is equal to 0. So last class I have given this formula. So first what we'll do, first we'll find out common chord. That means just subtract two equations. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9, and minus of x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 is equal to 0. So if we simplify, what we get is minus 6x plus 8x minus 4y plus 6y plus 9 minus 23 is equal to 0. So we get 2x plus 2y minus 2x plus 2y. So 23 minus 9 is minus 14 is equal to 0. So I can take 2 common from the equation. We get x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So we got equation of common chord. So we have to prove that the equation of common chord is the diameter of second circle. That means common chord is diameter of second circle. So diameter means it passes through center. So what I'll do is I'll find out the center of the second circle and I'll substitute in this common chord. It should satisfy. Satisfy means what? We should get RHS. That means the result should be 0. So what we do is first we'll find out the center of second circle. The center of second circle, I'll substitute in this equation. We should get RHS. If we get 0, then we say the common chord is the diameter of second circle. So what I'll do is I'll write down the second equation of circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 is equal to 0. And what is the center? Center is minus g comma minus f. What is center? Minus g comma minus f. So it is 4 comma 3. Okay, what is the center of the circle? We got 4 comma 3. So this center I'll substitute in this. So that is 4 plus 3 minus 7. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So we got 0 is equal to 0. So it is clearly satisfied. So what we should do after that, just write one statement as therefore the common chord is diameter of second circle. Right, we proved it. It is a diameter of second circle. Then after that we have to find its length. Find its length means what? We need to find the length of common chord. Okay, we need to find the length of common chord. Suppose this is a circle and this is a diameter, and so it's a rough diagram. Now these are the two circles. Now we proved that the common chord is the diameter of second circle. This is a second circle and this is a first circle. Okay, we proved that the common chord is the diameter of second circle. Now we have to find out the length of chord. See, in circles we did the problems on length of chord. Here length of chord, length of common chord is same. So what is length of chord? If you remember, the length of chord is nothing but 2 into under root of r square minus d square. So how to find length of common chord or length of chord? It is 2 into under root of r square minus d square. So here what is r? R is the radius of the circle. You can take any one circle and find out the radius of the circle. And what is d? D is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord. So first what I do, I find out r. So R. See, you can take any one of the circle, either first one or second one. I'll take the second one. The reason is already I know the center of second circle. So I am using second circle to find out the radius. Okay. So R is equal to under root of G square plus F square, G square plus F square minus C. So that is minus 23. So what is R value we are getting? So R is nothing but this. R is nothing but 16 plus 9, 25. 25 minus 23 is 2. So R value is under root of 2. So we got R value. After getting R, what we have to find out? D. What is D? D is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord. So how to find out D? D is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square is D. Now when we are finding D, we need a line. So we are finding the length of chord. So we need equation of chord. So what is equation of chord? X plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So what I do, I just write it here. X plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So as we are finding the length of chord, I am considering equation of chord. So from this, a value is 1, b value is 1, c value is minus 7, and always we'll find the perpendicular distance from the center. So already we have center. What is center? 4, 3. So that center also I will note down here. 4, 3. This will become x1, y1. D is the perpendicular distance we always take from the center. So we have center and we have equation of chord. We'll find out D. So D is equal to mod of ax1. What is x1? 4 plus b y1, 1 into 3 plus c. C is minus 7 by under root of a square plus b square. Just a, b, c, x1, y1 I am substituting here. So what we get is the D value is 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 0 by anything is 0. Now we will find out the length of chord. So length of chord or length of common chord is same. So length of chord is nothing but 2 into under root of r square. What is r? R is root 2. So root 2 square will become 2. Understood? R square, I am squaring this. So 2 minus d square, it is 0, right? So 2 minus 0 is 2. So therefore what is length of common chord we get? It is nothing but 2 root 2. So this is completed. Next problem. Find the equation and the length of common chord of the circles. So in this problem we have to find out the equation of common chord and the length of common chord. Okay, so first we'll find out the equation of common chord of two circles. So we'll write it. The equation of common chord of two circles, s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0 is s minus s dash is equal to 0. So first we find out the common chord. So x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1, and after that minus of x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now we'll simplify. So when we simplify this, x square y square terms gets cancelled, so we get 2x minus 4x, 2x minus 4x, multiply with minus sign, then plus 2y minus 3y plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0, right? After that, if we simplify, we get minus 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. I'll take minus sign common. So what is equation of common chord we get is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So find the equation of common chord. So what is equation of common chord we got? X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So equation of common chord we got. After that, in the question what is asking us to find is find the length of common chord. find the length of common chord. Okay, so length of common chord is nothing but the length of chord. So in order to find the length of chord, what I will do is, I'll take any one of the circle equations. I am taking the first equation. Okay, so I'll write the first equation. So what is the first equation? The equation of circle. The equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is the center? Center is minus 1 comma minus 1. Center is minus 1 comma minus 1. Now I will find out radius. So r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, g square, just square this, g square plus f square minus c. So what is r value? R value is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, r value is 1. Now in order to find the length of chord, the formula is 2 into under root of r square minus d square. So we have r. Now I will find out d. So in order to find d, what we need is, we need equation of chord. So what is equation of chord we have? Equation of chord is nothing but x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And we need also a center. So what is the center we have? Minus 1 comma minus 1. We write down. And what is the center we have? Minus 1 comma minus 1. Now I'll find out d. So d is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus cy under root of a square plus b square. So d is equal to a value, coefficient of x, into x1 is from the center, b value is 1 into y1 plus c, that is plus 1 by under root of a square plus b square. So d is nothing but mod of minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. So we can eliminate minus 1 plus 1 and d value is 1 by root 2. So mod of minus 1 is 1, so 1 by root 2. Now we will find out the length of chord. Or length of chord, length of common chord. Length of chord, length of common chord is same. So length of chord is equal to 2 into under root of r square minus d square. So I'll find out the length. So this is nothing but 2 into under root of r square. So already r is 1. So 1 square is 1 minus d square. D is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay, just write r square minus d square. Just write that is 2 into under root of r square minus d square. R is 1, d is 1 by root 2 whole square. Now we'll simplify this. So it is 2 into under root of 1 minus 1 by 2. So 2 into under root of 2 minus 1 by 2, we took LCM. Then 2 into 1 by root 2. See, 2 minus 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Root 2 as it is. That means I am splitting the root for numerator and denominator. Then we got 2 by root 2. Root 2 goes root 2 times. So what is the length of chord we are getting? It is root 2. 2 by root 2 is nothing but root 2. Okay. So this is length of chord. See, in this problem I made a mistake. We'll just clarify that. See here, minus 2x minus y minus 1. I took only minus sign common and I forgot to write 2. So I should write 2. So 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So that because of this the d value changes. So I will correct the d value. So what is a value? So I should write 2x here. So d value is what? 2. Okay. And the remaining is okay. Then what we get is minus 2. So it is 2 by root 2. So 2 by root 2 I am getting d value. Once again I will just but one thing, a square plus b square. So when I do a, it is 4. 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. So here I will get 5. So d value will be 2 by root 5. Just I am correcting. So 2 by root 5. So here I should write 2 by root 5 whole square. So I'll get 4 by 5. So 2 square 4 by 5. So if I take LCM, I'll get a different value. 5 minus 4 by 5. Then what is 5 minus 4? It is 1 by root 5. See, 2 square 4 and root 5 whole square is 5. So 4 by 5. So I am taking LCM. So I am getting 5 minus 4 is 1 by root 5. Then the final result is nothing but 2 by root 5. So what is the length of common chord we are getting? It is 2 by root 5. So why this mistake has happened is, here I took minus sign comma and I forgot to write 2. So that is the reason I went wrong. So please correct this and solve the problem. Next problem, you try this problem similar to that previous problem. Find the equation and the length of common chord of the circles x square plus y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. First you find equation of common chord s minus s dash is equal to 0. Then you find the length of common chord 2 into under root of r square minus d square. Okay, we just try this problem. Next problem. Prove that the radical axis of two circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, comma x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0 is the diameter of later circle if 2g dash into g minus g dash plus 2f dash into f minus f dash is equal to c minus c dash. So first what we'll do in this, we'll find out radical axis. Okay, after getting radical axis, in the problem it is given that the radical axis is the diameter of later circle. Here later circle means second circle. The radical axis is the diameter of second circle. Then we need to prove this condition. Okay, so first what we'll do is, we'll find out the equation of radical axis. The equation of radical axis, it is nothing but s minus s dash is equal to 0. The equation of radical axis is s minus s dash is equal to 0. So we'll subtract the two equations, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c and minus of x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. So now we'll simplify this radical axis equations. So we get 2gx minus 2g dash x plus 2fy minus 2f dash y plus c minus c dash is equal to 0. So here x square y square terms cancel, so we get this radical axis. Now we'll simplify this radical axis equation. So what we do is, we can take 2x common, so we get g minus g dash plus 2y common, we get f minus f dash. Then is equal to, just write c dash minus c. Okay, so I took 2x common, here I took 2y common, and c minus c dash will transpose on the other side. So we got the equation of radical axis. Now in the problem it is given that radical axis is the diameter of later circle. Here later circle means second circle. So what is the center of the second circle? Center of the second circle is minus g dash comma minus f dash, because second equation is x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. The center of the second circle is minus g dash comma minus f dash. Now this center I will substitute in radical axis. Why I am substituting the center in radical axis? Because it is given that the radical axis is the diameter of the later circle. So substitute, instead of x and y we will substitute. So 2 into minus g dash into g minus g dash, then plus 2 into minus f dash into f minus f dash is equal to c dash minus c. So I substituted. After substituting, what I do is just simplify the c. Minus 2g dash into g minus g dash minus 2f dash into f minus f dash is equal to c dash minus c. See, what we have to prove here, 2g dash into g minus g dash. So 2g dash coefficient is positive, but here we got negative. So what I'll do is I'll take minus sign common on both sides, and we'll write. So I'm taking minus sign common on both sides. So what we get is 2g dash into g minus g dash, 2g dash into g minus g dash plus 2f dash into f minus f dash is equal to c minus c dash. See, I am taking minus sign common on both sides. Here I am taking minus sign common, so these two terms will become minus. And on the other side also I will take minus sign common, so that we get c minus c dash. After that, those two minus signs which we took common on both sides will get cancelled. So we will get the result as 2g dash into g minus g dash plus 2f dash into f minus f dash is equal to c minus c dash. Okay, so this problem is completed. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Next, two more problems are there. So if I complete those two problems, system of circles will be completed. After that, I will start integration, which is very important chapter. Okay, next class will continue.